Yo, what up? My name is Bboy Jermz, repping Rockport's crew, Frozen Flow out of Anchorage, Alaska. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to do the windmill, brought to you by Spin Control. Some things that are very important for this move is basic turtle freezes, such as baby freezes, pencil freezes, chair freezes. You need back spins. Flexibility is definitely important, and the determination to get this move down. Some important things to think about is some head protection for this movement. I have here this spin cap that gives me cushion for my head, and also something slippery to spin on, such as this sweater that I have. This apparel was brought to me by Spin Control, so if you want to check that out, go ahead and check out the link below. There's a few ways to start this move, but today we're going to start by sitting on your butt, just like so. Since we're learning how to start from the sitting position, it's definitely important to learn how to spin on your butt before you spin on your back. The reason why we're learning the butt spin move is to know how to use your leg. So definitely use all your range of motion when kicking and pulling at the same time and following through. Now that you got the first part of the kick down, we're going to transition to our back. So as I am transitioning to my back, I'm going to start by going by my side. Now this right leg is going to follow through. Now that you have that step down, we're going to go ahead and transition to our back. The important part is to roll up high on your shoulders. So where you want to be on your back is right about here, high between your shoulder blades, kind of in the middle. And it's kind of preference, so kind of find your sweet spot in there. Now we're going to put those steps together and connect it to a back spin, like so. Now that you have your back spin down, we're going to learn how to turn over. And it's important to protect your face. So as I'm turning over, I'm going to place my left hand right about where my wrist and my shoulder is at, and I'm going to protect my face. So keeping it tight is definitely important. All right, now that we have that down, we're going to think about our hand placement. So my left hand is definitely going to be right here. Think about where your wrist is at. I like to use my points as where my shoulder is at. And my elbow is definitely connected to my rib cage here. So as I'm rolling, I'm right here on my elbow and I'm protecting my face. And at the same time, I'm keeping my chin tucked in. So I don't scorpion it or anything like that. Like this. And I'm going to place my right hand down to get ready to land in the first position that we had. All right, you guys are almost there. Now we're gonna work on continuing it. So this move is called the collapse. And when you're here at the stab, you're gonna wanna push away from your body, like that. Kind of digging your elbow in, but also letting your body fall. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what the collapse looks like. Placing your arm here, and I'm pushing, boom. Now that you have the collapse down, we're going to go ahead and roll onto our shoulder. But at the same time, I'm going to be pushing with my left to keep that momentum going. So here, and I'm pushing, collapsing at the same time. Boom, right on my shoulder. Now that we have that down, we're going to think about what our legs are doing. So I'm going to be kicking with my right leg and putting it all together. So I'm here, kicking. But at the same time, I'm collapsing. So when I kick, boom. Now that you have that part down, we're gonna think about what our left leg is doing. So to prevent from hitting your hip on the ground, you wanna create some space. And my left leg is gonna come up to my side, but also coming up. So as I'm kicking, swinging this right leg, this left leg is gonna come here, boom. And it's gonna come towards me, more so up. Now that you have that windmill down, we're gonna go ahead and step it up and try other variations. For me, I tried what we call in my area is mummy windmills. It may be called something different. And I place my arms here. And it's important to learn this move is because it transitions you to not use your hands to other windmills, like no-handed windmills, barrels, nutcrackers, handcuffs, and so forth. The windmill is one of my favorite moves personally because it's just fun to do. One of my favorite b-boys that do it is Bboy Maurizio, got Bboy Storm, and Bboy Gumby. The windmill is important to me because it's a foundational move. It's one of the first power moves that were made, and it just opens more doors for you to learn other things. So from now, it takes practice, determination, and repetition. Thanks for watching the video, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know if you want to see some more stuff. Peace.